Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Wait a minute.
ગ્રુપમાં ઓલા ડિવાઇડ કર્યા ને કાલ નતું પૂછ્યું મેં તમને
હવે મને હું મારે જોવું પડશે કેટલા કેટલા મેં મારે હું આવે રેડી છું એટલા માટે નિખિલને ખબર છે નિખિલને પૂછ નિખિલ ગુડ મોર્નિંગ એવરીવન
Good
Hello.
morning, sir.
am I listening? Wait a minute.
Good morning, sir.
Am I able to audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, did you complete the question answers of poem 3 that yesterday I sent it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who is remaining? Who is remaining? Who is remaining? Who is remaining for the completion of the question answer? Now see beta, this time I want all of your notebook, textbook and worksheet total complete. If anyone is remaining, it is not good for you. Right? Okay. How many participants are there? Only 60. Including me. Including me, 16 participants are there. Including me, only 16 participants are there. Okay. Now, today, we will discuss direct indirect speech. Right, the remaining portion are okay. What is the meaning of direct speech and indirect speech? What is the meaning of direct speech and indirect speech? Anyone have idea? Yesha? Yesha?
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of direct speech?
Direct speech means, for example, I have spoken some one sentence.
Based. Okay, now later on we will discuss. Right? Tell me, what is this? What is this? Kusum? Which is this punctuation mark? Which is this punctuation mark? Which is this punctuation mark?
Inverted comma.
Right. This inverted comma, when are we used? When do we use? When are we not? When do we use this inverted comma? When do we use this inverted comma?
Sir, for the main points.
For the main point? Little bit you are right, somewhere you are still wrong. Anyone have idea? Anyone have idea? Anyone have idea? Tell me. It means these words, this inverted comma we have to use for the exact word. Exact word. Right? It means direct speech means exact word.
Sir, direct speech describes when something is being repeated exactly as it was used, usually in between a pair of inverted commas.
The direct speech means exact word spoken by the speaker. By the speakers. Right? It means the communication between you and me, that is a direct speech. The communication between you and me, that is a direct speech. But indirect speech means.
Sir, can I say?
Yes.
The indirect
Yes.
speech will still share the same information, but instead of expressing someone's comment by directly.
Yes. We report.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Everyone mute yourself. My voice will come in. Everyone mute yourself. Everyone mute yourself. Someone is. Whose mic is on? Still, whose mic is on? Tell me. Huh?
Sir, tell to Adi to mute. Sir.
Aditya. Aditya. Adi.
Sir.
Adi.
Online, sir.
Adi. Adi. Everyone. Adi.
हाथ से जा रहे
Is the board visible, everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Blur.
Now?
No, sir. Yes, sir, it is clear.
Now? Adi, every day you are switch on your mic without my information, without my command. Right? So don't join English class because your parents are talking, there is a record in my recording. And it is a worst thing from my recording. I am teaching very peacefully, very dedicated, with dedication, and you are on your mic without my permission, and there is a Gujarati communication in behind your background, and it is recorded in my recording also. Right? So from tomorrow onwards, we will not join the lecture. Is it okay, na? Is it okay, na, Aditya? Is it okay? Give me the answer. So indirect speech means we report the words of the speaker, but it is not an exact word. Right? It is not an exact word, that's known as the indirect speech. Now students, last year I taught this thing. Right? Might be you have a notebook of last year, the tables with you, so you have no problem. Last year there is the affirmative formation is there. Now this year you have a interrogative sentences into indirect speech. Right? You have to interrogative formation into indirect speech. Now how can we solve the indirect speech in interrogative formation? That I will tell you. Today we have to complete direct indirect speech. within 15 to 20 minutes. Then after we will discuss the grammar exercise in your textbook. Okay? So, yes. Ram says, what are you doing? Now see, we know that interrogative sentence into two parts. Number one is with helping verb. With helping verb. And number two is WH question. Helping verbs, you know that do, does, did, is, am. Do, does, is, am, are, was, were, did, have, has, had, right? These are helping verb questionnaire. And the second one is WH question. Now, same rule is there that we have to change the tenses. But here is thing what? That when you change direct speech into indirect speech, that time the inverted comma word turn into affirmative formation. Right? Simply is formation. Affirmative formation you turn over. For example, how? So, Ram, here spade change into asked. Right? Here spade change into asked. Then same words you have to put what he was doing. See that. What he was doing. Now you have a question, sir, why we are not using here that? So, WH word itself reported verb. WH word itself reported verb. Understood this thing? Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Everyone
sir.
understood this thing? Everyone understood this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll write down another sentence. He said to me, where were you going? Change this sentence. Change this sentence into indirect speech. Manan?
Sir.
Wait, Manan. Manan is not here. Yes, who is say? Who is say, sir? Aditya, Adi? Answer me. Who will give me the answer? Okay, tell me. The reporting verb, reported speech, it is in which tense? Kavya. Kavya. Kavya.
Yes, sir.
Reported speech, it is in which tense?
Voice is not coming proper.
Who has the problem with my voice? I am saying reported speech, it is in which tense? I am saying reported speech is in which tense? Now I have to check that who is online. He or she will give me the answer. Akshay. This is in which tense? These words in which tense? Hurry up. Very good. Khushi?
Yes, sir.
The underlined word, it is in which tense? Underlined
Sir,
word.
may I say?
Wait. Pussy, do you know?
No, sir.
Who knows this answer?
Sir, I.
Name. Give me your name. How can I identify her? Tell me.
Sir, it is in past tense.
Which past? First of all, give me your name, beta.
Sir, my name is Jit.
Past tense. Okay. Which past? Which past?
Sir, past perfect.
Past continuous. Beta, were going. See that. Here, he asked me, right? He asked me where I had been going. Got it? Have you a table from last year? Last year I taught this thing. Have you a table?
Yes, sir, I have. Yes, sir.
Okay. Open it, right? Open it and you can see that. Now, if there is the question with helping verb, so how can we change it? How can we change it? So, same way you have to identify the tense and then after the sentence turn into affirmative formation. For example, he said, is she joining the party? Now you have a question, sir. WH, what is itself? It is a reported verb. How can we change? So same verb. He said, now if we are not using it, he said, he asked if she was joining the party. Right? Then, if another sentence, Ragini said, will you be coming to tour? Now, if this sentence, so same thing, let's use same thing. Ragini asked, now if, right? Here Ragini is there and here you is there. So now the thing is what? If there is a speaker and listener both in reporting verb, so we have to use listener's pronoun instead of you. It means second person pronoun. But if there is only speaker, so we have to use only speaker's pronoun. So here Ragini asked if she, right, would be coming to tour. Now we'll change into you. Rest of the same thing and you change into she. Got this thing? Got this thing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I write down helping verbs. Now listen. I write down the helping verbs 5 sentences, then after WH 5 sentences. Now you have to solve. Right? You have to solve it.
Sir, Adi was disturbing.
Adi. Number 1. Prakash said,
Yes, sir. Adi was disturbing. Sir, Adi was.
yeah,
Second नहीं होती है sir.
I lock the screen only. I have option. Who will change first one? Tell me. First sentence, Prakash said, are you writing? I'll speak, I'll give the number one by one. Sachi. 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 Sachi Soria. Sachi Soria. Sachi Soria. Sachi Soria. Vishwa. Vishwa.
Yes, sir.
First one, solve it. Prakash said, are you writing a letter?
Sir, 1 minute.
Sir, can I tell?
Sir, can I tell?
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Sir, can I say?
Vishwa, will you give the answer or not, beta?
Sir, 1 minute I will give. Sir, can I?
Wait a minute, Vishwa. Because Vishwa,
Yes,
it is
sir.
a wasting. Answer me.
No, sir. 2 minutes or 2 minutes. I will do fast.
Okay, do another sentence. Don't do first sentence. Shreya, give me the first one.
Yes, sir. He said that is he writing a letter.
What? Repeat the answer.
He said that is he writing a letter?
Prakash said, are you writing a letter? Tell me.
Sir, can I?
Prati, answer me. G, mute yourself. Shreya, repeat the answer, beta.
Yes, sir. He said that is he writing a letter?
Beta, it is an interrogative sentence. I already solved in front of you, and then after you are making the same mistake. And if the tense is what?
Sir, say to word is a disturbing. Sir, he is lefting and
See, it is in simple present tense we change into simple past tense, present continuous we change into past continuous, present perfect we have to change into past perfect, and present perfect continuous into past perfect continuous tense. Now it is in which tense? Shreya? See, last year I taught this thing. Only 4 months is over, and you forget this thing. Prakash asked. I told that when interrogative sentence is there, we have to use asked here. Asked, then use if, because it will start with the helping verb. It starts with the helping verb. If he was writing a letter. Second one, she said, right? So, she asked if she would arrive the next day. Then,
sir, I did.
Babita asked, tell me. Babita asked Bob, then see, beta, you cannot understand my point of view. This year also, I taught basic information. Affirmative sentences I taught you.
So, may I say I know?
Tell me.
Babita asked Bob if he could the tree.
Yes, if he could
Climb the tree.
climb the tree. The next is last one. Raja said to Rani, were you able to dance?
Sir, I know also.
What?
Raja asked Rani if she could dance.
She able to.
He would able to dance.
Here what is there? What? She had.
She able to dance.
Okay, everyone. Okay. When WH question is there, we are not using if and whether. We are not using if and whether. Now open your textbook, everyone. We have to solve the exercise in textbook. Try to solve exercise in your textbook. I am giving you 5 minutes. I am giving you 5 minutes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, Adi is disturbing.
I'll call him. Then after there is a solution is there.
Sir, he is
Adi?
resting and joining.
Adi,
My phone.
Adi, can you listen me?
Sir, he is lefting and joining. Yes, sir, he lefted.
Only one person gave me complaint. I will understand.
Sir, now he is left. Sir, he is joined. Yes, he is joined.
Sir, complete.
Adi, switch on your mic and camera both. Adi, switch on your mic and camera both. Adi, can you listen me? Adi, can you listen me? Okay, shall we start? Shall we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So already first one is there. Already first one is there. Right? So, what is the second one answer? My sister said to me, why do you want to go out now? What is the second one's answer?
Sir, can I say? Sir, can I say? Sir.
Mute yourself, everyone. Mute yourself. Bhakti? Bhakti?
Yes, sir.
Answer this question. My sister said to me, why do you want to go out now?
Sir, 2 minutes.
No, 2 minutes. I give you already 5 minutes for solving this exercise. Harsh Kalola. Harsh Kalola. Wait a minute, beta. I speak the name. Harsh Kalola. What is the second one's answer? What is the second one's answer?
Sir, may I say?
Sir, can I tell?
Wait. क्या वो बोल रहा है, सुनो तो सही उसको. Yes, sir.
My sister asked me why I wanted to go out.
Very good. I think. Third one. Why was the frog busy? The teacher said. Jail. Why was the frog busy? Jail Makasa, answer me. Answer me. Jail Makasa.
Sir, I tell the.
Sir, can I tell?
काव्या, मैंने आपको पूछा अभी. Only you are getting, you have a right to give the answer. What about the rest of the students that I want to check whether they know answer or not? Vishwa.
Yes, sir.
Answer of the second one. Why was the frog? Third one, it means.
The teacher asked the class why the frog was busy.
Very good. The teacher asked the class why was the frog busy. Fourth one, Yesha.
Sir, Yasha left the meeting.
Khushi.
Yes, sir.
Give me the answer of fourth one. My friend Susmita asked me, why did you come late to school today?
My friend Sushmita asked me that why did I come late to school that day?
No.
No, sir.
Sir, may I say?
Juhi. Kavya.
Yes, sir. My friend Sushmita asked me why.
I'm not listening you. Repeat the answer. Kavya, repeat the answer.
Yes, sir. Wait.
Because I didn't listen you, that's why.
My friend Sushmita asked me why I came late to school that day.
No.
Sir, can I tell?
Stella, answer me. Stella.
Yes, sir.
Answer.
My friend Sushmita asked me why I was late to school that.
Why I was late to school that day? What is the time? Said Meera. Soham.
Yes, sir. Mira
Answer.
asked me what it was.
Mira asked me what the time was. The bus driver said to us, where do you want to go off? The bus driver said to us, where do you want to go off? Shreya.
Yes,
Shreya.
sir. Yes, sir. The bus driver asked me where did we want to get off?
No. Wrong. Here when you change into affirmative formation, did we are not using. Anyone have idea? Yesha? Yesha? Yesha?
Yes, sir.
Answer of 6-1.
The bus driver asked us where we wanted to get off.
Where we wanted to get off. Very good. My father said me, when will you get home? Kusum.
Sir, can I tell?
Kusum. Kusum. Kusum.
So may I say? Sir, can I say?
Ashvi Vakadia. Ashvi Vakadia.
Yes, sir.
Answer me. My father said me, when will you get home?
My father asked me when I reached home.
When
When will I reach home?
Wrong.
Sir, may I
Akshi.
say?
Akshi. Akshi. Akshi.
Sir, I will. Can I tell you?
Yes.
My father asked me when would I will reach home.
Wrong. Stella. Stella.
Yes, sir. My father asked me when I would get home.
Exactly. Exactly. When I would get home. Linda said, I would like to know where the laboratory is. Linda said, yes. Yes, Jeet.
Linda asked he would like to know where is laboratory.
Linda said that she would, right? Linda said that because here the question is not, it has affirmative sentence only. So Linda said that she would like to know where the laboratory was. She would like to know where the laboratory was. Tanya said to Aditya, would you mind passing the rice? Would you mind passing the rice?
Sir, may I say?
Wait, Juhi Joshi. Juhi. 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 Jeet, answer.
Yes, sir. Sania asked Aditya, would he mind passing the rice?
Would Tanya asked Aditya?
Would he mind passing the rice? Sir, may I say? Sir, may I say?
Yes. Yes.
Sania asked Aditya if he would passing the rice.
if he would mind passing the rice. The right answer is Sania asked Aditya if he would mind passing the rice. The visitor said, how far is it to the railway station?
Sir, can I tell the answer? Sir, can
Yes,
I?
Kavya.
Sir, can I?
The visitor asked
Can I give?
how far it was to the railway station.
Yes, Kavya.
The visitor asked how far it was to the railway station.
Very good. Very good. Now vocabulary. Start it. Vocabulary. Right? So here the pink letter word is there. Right? Pink letters word is there. Now what you have to do, that whatever the pink letter is there, underline these words, and it is, we have to write down the synonyms of those words. So first sentence is that the policeman is very soft-spoken person. Now soft-spoken, it means quiet and gentle. So same way tongue-tied means
Sir, may I tell?
yes, yes,
Speechless.
स्पीचलेस. किसकी नो टेक्स्ट बुक में से कंबाइन किया हुआ है? Whose टेक्स्ट बुक विथ यू बेटा? लास्ट ईयर टेक्स्ट बुक, राइट काव्या?
So may I say?
Well written means what? I thought your friend Manoj's first novel was well written. Yes, Jit.
Sir, first one can I say?
First one already they give you. Second one, that one gives. Someone gives. And third one answer, tell me. Well written means what?
Sir, well written. Sir, don't know. Sorry, sir.
Pleasure to read. Fourth one, 20 pages document to read. It means, right, it is the meaning of a document consisting of 20 pages. Right, there is one document, and in this document there are 20 pages. And time saving, it means works faster and therefore saves time. Right? Now, in dictionary works is what? That there is some word that we call it verb also, sometimes it works as an adjective also, and sometimes it works as a noun also. So this is the word, right? So first one is, if there is a first one we talk about, so there is a inspiring and inspiration. So the verb is inspire. Same way succeed is a verb, successful is an adjective, so success is a noun. Then accept is a verb, so accepting is an adjective, acceptance as a noun. Describe, so descriptive and description, enjoy, enjoyable and enjoyment. Right? Here our grammar portion is over. Now today's homework is what? That you have to complete. You have to complete your grammar exercise in your worksheet. Remember, you have to complete your grammar exercise in your worksheet, and today I am sending the image file of this worksheet that you have to complete in your textbook. Not in worksheet, textbook image file that I am sending you, you have to complete in your what? Textbook. Where you have to complete image file? Image file where you have to complete? Okay? Okay everyone?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Anyone have a doubt?
Sir, we have to do homework in worksheet.
Yes, homework in worksheet is also there, and homework in textbook is also there. Yes. Right? But image file you have to complete, that is not in homework, that you have to do in textbook. But the worksheet homework you must be do. And now you can't make the mistake. Now you can't make the mistake. These are the examples, the textual exercise we have to solve. Don't make the mistake, anyone. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So don't leave the meeting because I want to take your attendance. Bye-bye everyone. Take care. Take care everyone.
Bye.
Bye.